Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you one of the most creative and very beautiful looking stylish pattern designing using this old bangles to convert into new designer blouse. I had already cut the blouse of back panel according to my measurements. Now I'd be showing how to create this pattern. This is of 10 by 10 inch fusion. I'm gonna stick this with the fabric and giving the circle shape like this using this plate. You can customize the measurements as per your requirement. That means the size you can either increase or decrease. I thought this circle is sufficient, but a little bit bigger size it is looking, so I'm gonna decrease this size a little bit of half an inch inside towards marking the circle shape, and towards these corners I'll give the fold and giving the stitch on it. So on this blouse I'm gonna give the markings of boat neck, which is of 4.5 inches neck width, and the neck depth would be of 1.5 inches. This is how the neckline would look, and for the concealing of the neckline, here I am going to use bias strip. So firstly I'd conceal the neckline first, placing this on the marked line. The raw edges we have to give the stitch without stretching the fabric of the blouse or the bias strip, and this is how we have to give the stitch. Once the stitch is done, we have to give the top stitch. Now I'll be completely turning this towards wrong side and giving the top stitch again to keep it in place. Here I am elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do, and I'll be placing this fusion along with the blouse back panel, both placing together the right sides exactly on this circular shape. I'm gonna give the stitch. Now I'd be trimming off extras towards the inner side like this, also giving this on this curve shapes so that the perfection of this shape will be elevated. Now I'll be turning completely this strip towards wrong side and giving the top stitch. On the circular shape I am going to give the top stitch like this. Also on this strip towards the raw edges I am going to give the stitch. Now turning inside out like this, we have to place the strip first and giving the stitch towards here, and once the stitching is done, this is how it looks. Now place the bangles one on another, overlapping it like this. Now from the center we have to take out this strip, again pull back from the center towards placing another bangle overlapping each other. If we pull the strip like this, it will be fixed perfectly, and without moving we can pull towards another side, placing the bangle like this. And this will not move, it will be fixed in place. So like this we can join n number of bangles up to your requirement. Here I'm going to join only 4 bangles, placing overlapping each other, and once this designing is done, this is how it looks. It will be perfectly in place. Now I'd be placing this strip towards underneath on another side of this circular shape and also giving the stitch here. Once the stitching is done, this is how it looks. Also you can join the gold laces to highlight this circular shape, or any types of designer laces if you have any requirement like that, but I'm gonna keep it plain, and I just want to elevate this bangles designer pattern, which will really gives the nicer look once you wear it. And this is how at the corners we have to give the stitch, and this would be the hand stitch. This is how we have to give the stitch. and I'm almost done with this designing. Once the blouse is completed, this is how the final lookout would look. Really friends, I had enjoyed a lot doing this beautiful design and sharing with you all. Hope you have also enjoyed watching this video, and if you really enjoyed, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Also do follow my Facebook page for more latest updates like this. Very easy and simple making of designer patterns. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more. Until then, see you all.